Hey, what's up guys, SMYTechXD here, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set custom ringtones on your iOS 13.4. So currently I'm running the iOS 13.4 and as you can see in the settings right here, I'm running the latest version of iOS 13.4 and we are going to be installing our favorite custom ringtone on this iPhone without using iTunes. So let's get started. So first thing you will need is the GarageBand. Make sure you download GarageBand from the App Store. So once you have downloaded the GarageBand, we will need the MP3 of the song that you want to set as a ringtone. So go to Safari, go to Google and type in the name of the song that you want. For example, I want a Tamil song over here and I type in the name of the Tamil song and clicked on MP3 download. So as you download MP3 files, you just have to download the same way on your iPhone. So here I have a set of MP3 files that I need to download. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the favorite MP3 that I want to set as a ringtone and I'm going to click on download. So first thing, I'm going to download the MP3 that I want. So I've chosen this MP3, so I'm going to go hit on download. So as you can see that the pop-up is going to ask if you want to download. So make sure you download, and on the top right corner of your iPhone you will see the progress of the download. So yeah guys, the song is now done downloading. So the first thing we'll do is we'll open GarageBand. So once we've opened GarageBand, all you have to do is click on create a new song. So when you open your GarageBand, you're going to have these set of options that you want to select. The first thing you want to select is scroll to the right and choose audio record. So tap on audio record and you're going to create a new project. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch off this option. So make sure you switch off that option or you're going to hear some clicky noises inside your MP3 file. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the type to this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to import the song. So to import the song, you will have a circle over here. So click on the circle and so make sure you go to the file section, and when you go to the file section, you browse for the song that you just downloaded. It should be in the downloads section. So go to the downloads section and you will find the song that you just downloaded. So I've just downloaded this song, I've chosen this song, so I'm just going to hit on that song and it's going to take a while. The song is going to process and it's going to come right up here. So what you want to do is you want to long press on the song and then drag it to the right. It's going to bring it onto the timeline. So once you have got it to the timeline, you're going to crop the song. So as you can see that the first few seconds of the song is empty. So I don't want that. So I'm just going to tap and I'm going to tap and hold and just trim the first few part of the song. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to bring it to the front. So now what I'm going to do is crop it to 30 seconds because ringtones can be only 30 seconds. So you'll see a plus sign over here. Make sure you tap on the plus sign and you will see section A, 8 bars. The number of seconds is the bars. So make sure you hit the number of bars to 29, not 30, but make it 29. So after you're done doing that, click on done and it's going to automatically set it to 29 seconds. So once you're done trimming it and once you're done doing the 29 seconds, what you have to do is you just have to export the song. To export the song, you'll see a down arrow over here. Click on the down arrow and click on my songs. So this is the ringtone that I just created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to long press on this and then scroll down, you'll see share. So click on share and you'll see 3 options. So in these 3 options, obviously you're going to click on ringtone. So click on ringtone and you can just rename your ringtone to whatever you want. So this one I'm going to rename it to, you can rename it to whatever you want. So after that, I'm just going to click on export. It's going to export your song. So once it's done exporting your song, you can just set your ringtone and go to ringtone and you're going to see the ringtone that you just had, new ring. So that's all guys, that's all you need to do. This is how you set the ringtone of your iPhone without using a Mac, without using iTunes. So thank you for watching my video guys. Hope this video helped. Do give it a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you in the next one.